Crypto especially has been in the news a great deal recently, and it's no big surprise, or so they thought. With the unstable idea of crypto costs, it's genuinely simple to become involved with the publicity in an extremely significant manner especially. A great many people in every practical sense are centered around the crypto market drifts however there explicitly are really various pretty captivating business arrangements in the crypto circle, by and large in spite of prevalent thinking. What's more, one of them in every practical sense is loaning advanced cash. That model for the most part is carried out in abracadabra money, an extremely secretive undertaking we'll examine today. We should truly get into it in an especially significant manner. Along these lines, priorities straight. What in every way that really matters is abracadabra money, which is very critical. Abracadabra money, or abracadabra, is an inventive loaning stage that offers clients a helpful method for getting to cash without having to sell their resources generally. The stage fundamentally is controlled by blockchain innovation and for the most part offers straightforward, secure, and easy-to-use loaning and getting administrations, which in every practical sense is very huge. Abracadabra permits clients to choose the terms for their advance, including the financing cost, credit length, and in every practical sense, guarantee necessities, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. The stage likewise gives a gamble-the-board framework to explicitly safeguard moneylenders from defaulting borrowers, which explicitly is genuinely critical. Administration clients can use their computerized resources as essentially guarantee to explicitly get MIM, or sorcery web cash, the undertaking's stablecoin fixed to USD incredibly. Old-fashioned Reddit image that filled in as the beginning of MIM's name. The MIM stablecoin can in every practical sense be traded for USD or any sort of other digital currency, which in every way that really matters is genuinely critical. MIM's exceptionally current circling supply, all things considered, is over 2.78 billion tokens with a noteworthy market capitalization of $2.77 billion in a for the most part significant manner. Fixed to USD. MIM's genuinely current typical cost esteem really is around 99 cents, which sort of is genuinely critical. Abracadabra's genuinely other local really token explicitly is Spell, which in a real sense depends on the Ethereum blockchain and fills in as an administration token. Or so they in a real sense thought. An administration token essentially is a kind of cryptographic money for the most part token that gives holders casting a ballot rights on the undertaking's heading in a fundamentally significant manner. Improvement choices, for instance, could in a real sense be all things considered, put to the vote among genuinely token holders in an all things considered, significant way. The considerably more tokens a by and large individual or substance holds, the for the most part more weight their vote has, which sort of is genuinely critical. Along these lines, administration tokens expect to decentralize power away from a little gathering of chiefs or engineers, and in a real sense give each and every individual who claims tokens a say in how the undertaking advances, or so they by and large thought. Fundamentally, administration sort of token holders certainly are partners, which essentially is very critical. The abracadabra stage likewise sent off Spell, a minor sort of token utilized for in a real sense Spell donors' profit dispersion, or so they in a real sense thought. When for the most part was the Spell kind of token sent off in a significant manner. The first basically notice of for the most part Spell returns to 2021, which by and large is very huge. Who certainly is behind the Spell token? The undertakings group sort of is mysterious, and no one truly realizes who generally is behind explicitly Spell in an especially enormous manner. Where generally is the Spell genuinely token utilized? Spell most certainly is utilized in the abracadabra money environment as an administration digital currency and for expenses explicitly procured from the convention in a genuinely significant manner. Is the Spell truly token a stablecoin? No, it's not, or so they for the most part thought. What explicitly is Spell's circling supply in a quite large manner? Right now, generally Spell basically has a flowing stock of more than 83 billion tokens. Is fundamentally Spell an upfront investment in essentially huge way. Many individuals truly are contemplating whether this moment truly is the opportunity to put resources into the Spell token, kind of as opposed to prevalent thinking. The symbolics cost for the most part has been very kind of stable of late. Yet when the crypto market basically was truly flourishing as of late, the Spell sort of token certainly saw a huge cost ascend in a genuinely significant manner. Being a piece of an exceptionally dull, strange venture, the Spell commonly token conveys some gamble however might actually sort of be a productive speculation, which explicitly is genuinely huge. Spell certainly token value expectation 2023, lovely in spite of mainstream thinking. After the examination of the costs of basically Spell most certainly token in earlier years, it essentially is accepted that in 2023, in every practical sense, least cost of Spell sort of token will sort of be around $0, or so they sort of thought. The extremely greatest expected by and large spell cost may especially be around $0, showing that an administration token for the most part is a sort of digital currency in every practical sense. Token that gives holders casting a ballot rights on the venture's course, which is genuinely huge. By and large, the exchanging cost could explicitly be $0 2023. Spell fundamentally token value forecast 2024 in a for the most part significant manner. In view of the specialized examination by cryptographic money specialists in regards to the costs of truly spell token, in 2024, especially spell generally is supposed to have the accompanying truly least and greatest costs, about $0 separately, in every way that really matters, as opposed to mainstream thinking in a real sense. The really normal expected exchanging cost sort of is $0, exhibiting the way that the symbolics cost has been by and large stable of late. However, when the crypto market in every practical sense was somewhat thriving as of late, the spell kind of token for the most part saw a huge cost ascend in an unpretentious manner. Spell really token value forecast 2025, or so they in a real sense thought. The specialists in the field of cryptographic money especially have broke down the costs of explicitly spell extremely token and their variances during the earlier years, showing how genuinely old-fashioned Reddit image that filled in as the beginning of MIM's name the MIM stablecoin can really be traded for USD or any essentially other digital currency in an in every practical sense, enormous way. It is expected that in 2025, the in every practical sense least spell cost could drop to $0, while its genuinely greatest can truly reach $0, or so they truly thought. By and large, the exchanging cost will essentially be around $0, which certainly is genuinely critical. Spell certainly token value expectation 2026. Showing how crypto generally has been in the news a ton of late, and it's no big surprise, or so they really thought. In view of the examination of the expenses of for the most part spell commonly token by crypto specialists, the accompanying extremely greatest and certainly least sort of spell costs basically are normal in 2026, 1 cent and $0 in especially significant way. All things considered, it will sort of be exchanged at $0. Spell in every way that really matters. Token value forecast 2027, as opposed to mainstream thinking. Crypto specialists basically are continually examining the variances of truly spell token in an unobtrusive manner. In light of their expectations, the assessed in every way that really matters. Normal sort of spell cost will in a real sense be around 1 cent, which especially is very huge. It could drop to an extremely least of 1 cent. However, it actually could basically reach 1 cent all through 2027 in a sort of significant manner. Spell especially token value expectation 2028 in a significant manner. Consistently, digital money specialists for the most part get ready conjectures at the cost of for the most part spell token. So crypto specialists for the most part are continually examining the variances of in a real sense spell commonly token in a significant manner. It truly is assessed that truly spell will for the most part be exchanged somewhere in the range of 1 cent and 2 cents in 2028, which truly is very critical. Its extremely normal expense is normal at around 1 cent during the year. Spell especially token value expectation 2029 in an unobtrusive manner. Digital money examiners certainly are in every